A very fresh good morning to all. This is your science teacher Nazish and welcome back to 7th session of chapter number 6, that is acids, bases and salts. In this chapter we have already discussed about acids, properties and uses of acids, bases, properties and uses of bases, indicators, effect of acidic and basic medium on few natural and synthetic indicators, and neutralization. Neutralization is a chemical reaction that takes place when an acid is mixed with a base to produce salt and water. Heat is also evolved out in a neutralization reaction. Neutralization is used in many ways in our daily lives. Every day, we neutralize things inside and outside our bodies without even knowing. They are used in agriculture, industries, health, and even at home. Here in this video, we will discuss about some applications of neutralization in our daily lives. So let's begin. We all know that our stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, which helps us to digest the food and kill the harmful bacteria present in the food. But sometimes excess acid is secreted in our stomach. This happens when we are under stress or have improper meal. We may feel uncomfortable in this situation. We may feel pain in the stomach or burning in the throat. This condition is called acidity. The stomach ache can be relieved by taking some antacids. Antacids contain weak bases such as magnesium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide, which neutralize the excess acid in the stomach. In this way, antacids helps in controlling acidity of the stomach and we feel relief. The stings of ants and bees contain formic acid. When these insects sting, they inject formic acid in our body, which causes a painful irritation and swelling. To reduce the effect of formic acid, the area around the sting is rubbed with calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate, or with baking soda solution. These substances contain bases which neutralize the effect of formic acid to some extent and hence help in relieving pain. In order to increase crop yield, farmers sometimes use excessive fertilizers. The soil of an agricultural land becomes acidic on excessive use of chemical and organic fertilizers. This makes the soil unfit for further farming or proper growth of crops. When a soil is extremely acidic, quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, is added to it to neutralize the effect of the acidic substances present in the soil. Similarly, basic soil is treated with the acidic substances like an organic matter Organic matter releases acids and neutralizes the effect of the basic substances present in the soil. The waste of many factories mainly contain acids. If this waste is directly discharged into a river or a lake, it will kill the fishes and other living organisms. Thus, to prevent such a situation, these acids should therefore be neutralized by adding basic substances such as slaked lime before being discharged into the river. Hence, wastewater is treated with basic substances before being discharged into water bodies or the soil. And that's all for today. Finally, let's wind up here with your home assignment. There are 4 questions given to you in your home assignment as shown on the screen. These questions you have to do in your fair notebook.